Tempo Automation is a full turnkey electronics manufacturer. We have a complete DFX team in-house to review your order, a smart supply chain for components and fabrication sourcing, and a state-of-the-art assembly factory in-house. Our expertise is in producing high-complexity PCBA at high speeds and low volume for both prototypes and production. What makes us different is that we're combining the best manufacturing practices of the industry with a proprietary software layer that helps streamline the whole process, from quoting to DFMA and production itself. Our order portal is one of the best examples of this, and it's the main way you'll request quotes and transfer data to us. I wanted to give you an overview of how it works. Open an account with your name, email, and password. After you sign up and set up mutual NDA, you can start your first request for quote or RFQ. All you need is your design CAD, BOM, board preferences, and manufacturing notes. Any data you send is securely stored in Amazon Gov Cloud. This is the same system used by some of the biggest banks in the world to protect their data. We use native CAD because it's a high-fidelity data source, which makes resolving design intent ambiguities easier. We accept all major CAD platforms including Altium, Allegro, PADS, etc. For other transfer options, contact sales@tempoautomation.com. Uploading your BOM gives you access to our BOM Edit, which automatically checks our integrated component suppliers and shows in real time what's in stock. It can suggest alternatives, or you can enter your own. Custom vendors and consigned parts options are also available, which gives you the flexibility to use any specialized components needed. Set your board preferences and add any manufacturing notes or special instructions. Then choose your quote quantities and submit. Quoting will get back to you with an email within a couple of hours, not a couple of days. You can track the status of your quote on your order dashboard. When you receive the quote, it will be fully broken out with lead time and cost for components, fabrication, and assembly. Find the option that works best for you and then pay with either credit cards, PO, or a wire transfer. You can also designate that payment will be made by another person. After the order is placed, our software allows for bidirectional flow of information to our supply chain and down to the factory floor, and information generated by production flows back to you. Our software acts as a single source of truth for the whole process, minimizing delays and errors, and helps ensure an on-time delivery of your board. Transparency is one of the essential components of what our system provides. During your build, our order tracker will show you in real time what stage your board is at, so you can have peace of mind that everything is proceeding correctly. And that is how you send your RFQ and make an order. As you continue to work with Tempo Automation, the order portal gives you a single place to manage all your orders, submit new RFQs seamlessly, and track your build progress. Try it out today.